Hello everyone. Today I am talking about a critical issues, the decline of native birds population and habitat destruction for urban animals in Dhaka. Now I am going to identify what the major problems are. First, urbanization and deforestation are destroying in habitats. Lack of nesting site as high-rise building replace trees. Pollution and food scarcity harm birds and animals. Destroying green space and wetlands disrupt our urban wildlife. Noise and light pollution disrupt our urban wildlife. Poor waste mismanagement harms crows and stray animals. Personal observation. Frequent sightings, birds like sparrow, crows, and mynas are still visible but in smaller numbers. However, rare species like kingfisher or bulbuls are harder to find or spot. Habitat issues noted. Rapid construction in the Mirpur area is destroying trees, water bodies, and roads to create pollution like air pollution, water pollution, and deforestation. Also, species extents. Stray animals seems to be struggling more food too due to reduced natural option because we are destroying our trees, water bodies, and roads and many kinds of natural option. Personal opinion on solution. Organized tree planting programs and wildlife awareness events also health checkup care for animals and birds so we can save our environment and urban wildlife also our animals and birds. Create share stories and call to action on social media so that we can impact our society by helping our urban livelihoods. Conversation zones. We must design natural habits in urban settings. Eco-friendly practice impact waste management and reduce noise and light pollution to protect urban wildlife. Awareness. Community education. We must campaign on the importance of biodiversity and urban ecology. Involvement of school and college must organize tree planting programs and wild awareness event. Also, healthcare checkup for animals and birds. Social media and local activities. We can must share stories, data, and calls to action about declining wildlife to inspire small or little impact or impactful efforts for our environment. I hope we can work together to protect our urban wildlife. A small effect from each of us can make a big difference. Thank you. Let's make our environment better for everyone. I hope we can change our environment. Thank you.